In the chaos of candlesticks lies a rhythm, a harmonic. And if you can hear it, you can trade it. Before the breakout, before the fakeout, there are signs, subtle waves. And this cardboard? It might just be the blueprint. Step 1. Look for price touching the red line. That's the start of the story. Step 2. Price pulls down to create waves. It's not falling, it's loading. Step 3. By wave 5, something's brewing. A rally, a breakout. Wave 5 will rise and touch the red line again. Price might touch the trend line and rally again, but don't get trapped. Look for the final move up to complete wave 5. That's where traders lose their minds, and smart money enters short. Sell after the rally, not before. Wait for the emotion to peak, before the fall begins. You don't trade wave 1, you don't guess wave 3. You wait for confirmation. All power leaks to the edge of the trend channel. That's where reversals happen, and where you strike. This isn't a game of prediction. It's a dance. When you understand the flow, you stop chasing the market and start moving with it. Markets move in waves. The question is, will you ride them or get pulled under?